I am responsible for the successful delivery of all our new projects. The nature of our program, we have a lot of old buildings, so the bulk of our work is rehab of those old buildings. Our capital program each year is anywhere between 12 and 14 million. This year we have a couple of larger projects going on which take up most of the 12 million. Same thing's going to happen next year. The following year, if things go as planned, we're going to have more projects, but they're going to be smaller. We implemented eBuilder officially September 1st, 2009. When we decided to adopt eBuilder, we had two goals: get our costs under control and get our documents under control. Those are the two main areas that we're using eBuilder for right now. I would love to use the bidding module and the planning module and all that kind of stuff. We just don't have the people for it. Construction accounting is kind of its own specialty within accounting, so it's important that construction people input the accurate costs, and we're confident that we're doing that with eBuilder. And then the other thing is the document control. Before I got there, we had no central repository for contracts, lien waivers, that sort of thing. No one tracked them. Now with eBuilder, we've set up our file structure. We know where everything is. Anybody with access to the system can find those documents. It gives us good transparency. We've saved a lot of time not only in the construction end, but also, whether the accountants know it or not, we've saved them a lot of time too, because they can take our costs and import them into their systems and do whatever accounting voodoo that they do. So the amount of time that we save is very valuable. And the accuracy of the information is even more valuable. When you talk about planning, and especially in an economic environment like this, to have that kind of accurate information and to be able to plan properly, I don't know how to put a dollar value on that, but it's pretty valuable. Finance people call and say, hey, and we're going to do an audit. The auditors are coming in. Great. Give them, you have access to eBuilder. Whatever they want is right there. And they took a look at it and they were amazed because everything was there. They actually gave us a lot of compliments because all their information was there. They asked me maybe 2 or 3 questions. Everything was there. They didn't even have to come to campus. They sat in Indianapolis or wherever they were and did their whole audit from there. Columbia kind of experienced just this explosive growth, late 90s, to now. And the systems have never caught up. And a lot of use of Excel spreadsheets for big projects. The story I tell people is that when I first got to Columbia, there were a couple jobs going on, and I said, well, how much are these going to cost? They said, well, we don't know. What do you mean you don't know? We haven't gotten the final bill in yet. That's the kind of archaic systems that were there before eBuilder. So if eBuilder went away, all that information would go away, cost reporting would go away, we'd have to reinvent it from scratch, we'd have to go back to Excel. I don't want to talk about it, it'd be a mess. The staff at Columbia, they're great people, but they had never been exposed to kind of the proper way of doing the construction documentation, I guess is a way to put it. So I had to, almost like a construction 101 class, and they had to go back and, all right, everybody needs a contract, and the contract has to be approved and signed, and we have to have lien waivers and insurance certificates and that sort of thing. So those kinds of basics. The other challenge was getting the accountants to buy into it. And that's still a challenge because I don't think they have completely bought into it yet. When people are doing things for a long time and when you come in and implement a system like this. The other problem is plain and simple, I don't have enough people to do all the things that I want eBuilder to do. I mean, we're using it for 2 main things right now, and I wish I had more people. My experience with eBuilder has been fantastic. The people have been very helpful. Implementation started very quickly. They did it on our schedule. We told them what we needed. They told us exactly how to get there. The training was fantastic. The ongoing support is incredible. I can't say enough about the company. I think eBuilder, the whole team is very good at what they do. They've got a great product and they back it up and they care. They're very friendly and they're very knowledgeable. And they seem to know construction, which is, in my view, very important.